What's up, everyone? I'm Gilbert, and today I'm doing my first vlog. Get this empty taken off. I'm in my spot. I'm waiting. I don't have a top handler on this side. See that giant forklift right there? Call those top handlers. They lift it up from the top. And I'm hoping he's gonna come to me next. The faster I get out of here, the faster I can deliver, and the faster I can go home, hang out with the wife and kids, enjoy the weekend. Well, I thought he was gonna come to me next. Apparently there's more other trucks that he has to take off empties from. Oh well, I guess I'll just sit and wait. That's port life for you. Right, just got my empty taken off. That's it right there. He's gonna stack it up. I'm on my way to automate. Watch those tandems. They are doing this construction quick. Eventually this whole line will all be automation. The part that they have finished so far, this whole side didn't used to be automation. It used to just be stacks just like that. But now they're making this whole runway right here all automated. Before it just used to be the backside over there. Here is the line for automation. Right here is for section C. They want me to go to A and B section. That's my turn for my spot location. Waiting on the clerk. Those little short containers right there are heavy. If you see a seal on the back of those things, then that means they're loaded. And those little small short containers are heavy. So when you're trying to back down one of those containers, especially if you have split axles like that chassis, it's like harder to turn it. Let's see if he can get it in there in one shot. Well, he already did one pull up. Sometimes you could get it in one shot, and sometimes you need like 1, 2, or 3 pull-ups. But it don't matter as long as you get it in there. Thank you. All right, the clerk told me to go to number 32. So here I go. Man, this guy is struggling. That's a heavy load right there, that's why. Come on, brother, you got it. I don't want to go around him because then I'll be further away from my spot. Man, come on now, get it in there. Or at least let me go by so I can get to my spot. Sheesh. Alright, I think he has it now. Alright, 32, let's get it in there. Too sharp. Do a pull up real quick. Don't want to hit these K-rails right here. Good right there. Bam. Not too bad. Oh, I gotta do my paperwork. Shoot. All right, time to roll out. We got loaded. Actually, I just gotta fill out my paperwork. I grabbed it, but then I realized my pen ran out of ink. Ain't that something? Going through Roadability, where the mechanics check all the chassis. I got a company chassis, so I don't gotta worry about stopping right here. They'll just wave me by. Whoops. I gotta get a good mount for this camera. That's a good spot right there to be on the dash. It's like perfectly centered. I don't know. I would have to call. Just delivered that load. Dropped in Ontario, picked up another empty. 45 foot also on the empty. And I'm gonna keep it over the weekend at my yard and use it for Monday for my loads that I got on Monday. Let's see, my first load Monday is gonna be at 8 p.m. and then my second load is gonna be out of Pier E. I believe the first one goes to Rialto and then the second one goes to Bloomington. That'll be a fun day. Remember last year, 2022, we were getting all kinds of loads. Every day we would get 2 loads from Long Beach delivering to the IE. 2 loads a day. Now it's like starting to barely pick up again. Now I'm just right here stopping to put fuel at my favorite place, Noyle, because they got the cheapest fuel out of anybody. 50 to 80 cents cheaper than Pilot, Flying J, Petro, Loves, all those big box fuel stations. Come on now, click already, click already. Man, this thing was thirsty. I'm scared to see how much the damages are gonna be. All right, let's see how much it's gonna be. Oh, not bad, 546. What up, what up? Next day, Saturday, right here, just picking up paperwork from my driver. I'm in truck number 1 right now. It's about due for a PM. Gonna get that 90-day inspection and an oil change, brake adjustment, get some grease. Alright, back at the yard. Now I could hop in the car, head home, and enjoy the 4th of July weekend. Hope y'all having a good weekend, but I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog right here. So let me know in the comments, how did I do for my first vlog? I'm a rookie at this YouTube thing, but bear with me, I'm gonna get better. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a safe and blessed day, and I'll see you on the next one.